Hello, founders. I'm Narek. I'm a co-founder of PrometAI. Today, I wanted to show you how to start a journey using Entrepreneur's Journey. Entrepreneur's Journey is basically a set of tools. It's a toolkit for founders and entrepreneurs who want to start a business, and it includes tools that will help with every step of entrepreneurship. The idea behind of this platform is that we founders are also business founders, and we had many challenges during our journey, and we wanted to create something that would help other entrepreneurs in their journey by sharing our experience with them. So to start your journey, you need to go to your personal dashboard at PrometAI, and you need to click here on this bottom that says create new journey. After that, you will see this window that will pop up. It will first ask you if you already have an idea or you are looking for one. If you don't have an idea, you can generate one based on your skills, based on your preferences. But let's assume for the sake of this illustration, we have an idea and we want to create, for example, a consulting company. We'll call it 100MS, just because we already have a consulting company called 100MS. Let's suppose we want to start it in the United States. Um, we need to put a very high level description here. I've copied this text already in my second screen. So 100MS is a outsourced BPO accounting and bookkeeping firm that provides US middle market entities, various accounting, CFO, and other corporate finance services. And 100MS specializes in NetSuite. So you don't really need to go deep into the details here. A very brief description will be enough, as in the later stages you'll be refining and thinking about your idea. I'll show you now as we generate our journey. So current stage, we can select from the list, but let's assume it's on idea stage. Name, I'll put my name, role, CEO. We need skills here, finance, ERP, interest, also finance, ERP, prior experiences. Let's say I help US companies with their corporate related tasks, such as uh, accounting, reporting, ERP implementation, etc. Very simple, just also for the illustration purposes, we only need to input this information. We can add partners here if we want to, but let's say we're a sole founder, and there we go. We just click on generate your entrepreneur's journey here, and only after a couple of seconds we see this dashboard where we start our work with our journey. So as I already mentioned, every journey starts with idea, and that is our first tool in the journey, in the horizontal uh, set of actions that entrepreneurs go through. And in our later stages, we'll develop like name and brand assistance, founders, business registration, marketing, and SEO, task management, and various very cool tools. At this stage, we have idea already. So for idea, we have four sections here, which is idea generation, idea refinement, and idea validation, and idea finalization. As you can guess, these stages are here to help us refine our idea, to think about our idea in a creative way, to challenge it, to gain knowledge about our idea, to kind of think about idea before we would move forward. And every section has a subsections, subtools here, which we will cover in our next videos. But for now, for example, inspirational sources, idea frameworks, let's just for illustration purposes put, for example, my favorite one, creativity enhancers here. It auto generates very nice tools of tailored to your idea that you can work with, regenerate, enhance, and it will give you a lot of angles for thinking about your idea, what you need to consider, how you can approach your business in a creative way. Yeah, we'll talk about this in on our next videos. For now, I just wanted to show how to generate an entrepreneur's journey. For that, please stay tuned, and I hope to see you soon. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much. See you soon.